Good morning.
Good morning, sir, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Lorena Tigatula.
What is your age?
I am 42 years old.
What year were you born?
I was born on 1972.
Do you have a valid work permit and identity card?
No?
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No?
Do you drink?
No.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family.
What is your hometown?
Santa Cavite.
What is your level of education?
I am a high school graduate.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old are they?
They are 23, 25, 18, 21, and 15.
Who takes care of them?
They're my husband.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 big sisters and 2 brothers.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you support any or all of the members of your family?
Yes.
If your parents get sick, who can take care of them?
My younger sister.
Do you have any debts either here or in your hometown?
No.
Do you owe employment agency any money?
No.
How many years of experience locally and abroad do you have?
I have 2 years in abroad and 2 years here in local.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
Take care of children.
What do you enjoy the least?
None.
Do you have allergies in food, drugs, or detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employer?
I'm just being patient and being quiet.
In your last place of employment, were your employees both working?
No, they always stay at home.
Do you accept no day offs but will be paid by your employer?
Yes.
Was your work primarily childcare or housework?
Both.
How many hours each day do you work?
I work 10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burned his hand on the iron, what would you do?
I will put a petroleum jelly and I will send it to my madam.
If my son is being naughty while taking care of him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I must be patient and I will talk to him being a good children.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
What cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino dish and Arab food.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you usually do in your spare time?
Rest.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, singing, or painting?
No.
What is your message to your employer?
Sir, madam, my name is Lorena Tigatula. I am a married woman. I am 42 years old. I have 5 children. I am willing to take care of your children, to clean your house. I am hardworking maid, so please hire me. Thank you.
Sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you.